In this video, we're going to find out what Senamon Bag Organizer company gave me for me to review. So check this out. Hello, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Charles Angel. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to have the unboxing of my Senamon Bag Organizer that I was telling you about. This one, they contacted me through Instagram, and then they were telling me that, oh, okay, I'm going to give you these pouches, these are bag organizers, and then probably you're going to be able to help us to have an honest review regarding about our product. As I told you before, last Sunday, I already made a bag organizer review regarding about Senamon, and it was a positive one, and I really like this product. So today we're going to unveil this one for my bag of the day, which is the Epi Vivienne MM Noir bag. It's like a porte document bag. That's the one that I used to work today. And then this one is my regular bag that you have seen before, but this is the bag of the day. Anyway, going back to this one is for my Forte document bag, and then also for my sack plat. But unfortunately, I don't have my sack plat right now because I sent it to Louis Vuitton store for repair, because I want them to repair the handles of it. So I don't have it right now, but I still have the one that we can use for this. So let's see what's gonna happen. So we're going to open this now, and then I have a good news for you guys. For all my Instagram followers, Instagram friends, you already know what's happening and what's going on. So this is the continuation. This is the formal introduction of that one. Let's open this up, and then I'll talk to you about it afterwards. So they were telling me that they're going to send me 3 bag organizer. We processed this one this week, and I received this one today, Friday. So it took them probably a week to ship everything up to you guys. And this one is coming from all the way from Turkey. So that one is a fast shipping for international one. So that's a good one that they have. So right now, so we have this one, and I have 3 things for you guys. There you go. So this is so exciting. The first one, it's gonna be this the red one with a zipper. So let's open this up. Wow. And this is really for my sack plat. And then for the sack plat, it's really nice. And then you can open this, because on the sack plat there's no closing on top. It's an open one. So this one, it's gonna be able to secure. I want it red because it kind of like contrasting the bag. The bag is in monogram canvas and then beige inside. So I want this one red. And then as you can see, we do have a big compartment on this side, and then 3 compartments on this side. So that's really nice. And then they do have compartment on each side. Oh wow, this is really nice. I wish I can put this one on my sack plat right now, but I can't because I don't have my sack plat. And then this is gonna be too much for this one because of the height of it. So this is that. The other one that I told them to do is the same thing for a sack plat, but without the zipper of it. So I think this is the one that they gave me. Oh wow, I think this is gonna be no, it's not gonna fit that. So this is gonna be for a sack plat too. And then there's one compartment on this side, and then one big compartment in the middle, and then 3 compartments three small compartments on the side, so which is really nice. So that's that. The if you're going to feel it, it's a pelt paper type of thing. It's a pelt, but and then it's nicely done because as you can see the stitching of it, and it's really bendable. So people are asking if this is bendable and stuff, and it does bend. It's not like too stiff that you're not able to bend it and stuff. So this is the second one that we got. And then this is the third one, the surprise that they gave me, because they were telling me, oh, we're sending you 3 bag organizers. So thank you very much, Senamon Bag Organizers, for all this, because I really appreciate this. Oh, and then they gave me the same one, a sack, for a sack plat, but on the gray, and then without the zipper on top, and then there's a lot of compartments inside. So there's 2 compartments on each side, this one and that, and then 3 compartments on from here, and then 2 compartments, 3 compartments or 2 compartments on this side. Plus, there's 1 big compartment on the side. So probably you can put the paper, documents paper that you have, and then you can put a laptop on here. My 13-inch Apple laptop can fit on this one, so that's really nice. On my sack plat, I can put also my toiletry pouch, which is going to be across here, so which is really perfect. So I do have 3 stuff in here right now. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to put this one in my bag because my bag is not here today, but I guarantee you that this one is in superb higher quality materials that she used on this. So what's the good news now? The good news is that because me and Senamon Bag Organizer company talked to it about helping you guys, so she's giving for the Charles, California special offer of 20% out of the cheaper prices that they already have. They already have like about 75% cheaper from the from Samorga and other bag organizers. So what are you going to wait for? This one for I checked today, for a Keepall, it's about $45 minus the 20%, and then the shipping is about $6.99. So it's really under like $40. You're gonna be able to have your organizer. You're going to get it within a week. So what are you waiting for? So check them out now on your computer, on your phone, on Etsy, and look for Senamon, and then you're gonna be able to find them, and then you will see everything is discounted already with 20% off. This one will run from today through September 1st, 2019. This one, as a disclaimer, I'm not paid to do this one. They just giving me all these products for me to review it with you guys. And so what are you waiting for? Check them out now, and then tell down to all your friends. You can follow me on my Instagram, Charles, California, and then you will find more details about it in there. Or you can check the description below. I will put everything, I will link everything about Senamon products. And today what happened was I was looking for a Speedy 25, and then it's about $33 minus the 20% off that one, plus $6.99 shipping. It comes about less than $40 for a Speedy 25 bag organizer. Where are you gonna find that? That's so cheap. So it's really not going to break your bank, and it's cheap. And anyways, this one is just gonna be organizer in your bag. It doesn't come out of your bag. So, but this one, it's cheaper, way cheaper than the other brand. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up now. You have time until September 1, 2019 to get your own bag organizer for a cheaper price. You Gonna go to Etsy.com and then look for Senamon, and then under that you're going to pick anything, whatever you want, whatever bag organizer you want. For example, you want to have a Speedy, so let's do a Speedy 25 because my friend is liking it. And then everything on here is 20% because of Charles, California's special offer. How's that? How cute is that, huh? So everything is on sale and they have a fast shipping. It will ship to you for less than a week, so that's a plus. So what are you waiting for? This is really a cheaper way to do this, because the other one, this is only like $42, but because it's discounted because of the Charles, California special offer, you're only going to get this one for $33.60. So yeah, what are you waiting for? So there you go. We're going to check out for my lovely friend, and this is hers, and then there's our sale 20% off, and then yeah, discount is that one, and then pay with PayPal or whatever you want to pay. This one is with express shipping. So what are you gonna ask for still, right? Everything is there, so that's perfect. This one will be with you within a week or so. So come on down. Anyway, this is Charles, California. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. I love you. Bye. Thank you.